I wanted to take a couple minutes to show you guys some of the awesome things that my sister gave me that she 3D prints. I don't even know what to start with. I know I've showed you guys these before, where we did an Easter egg hunt, and whoever found the most Easter eggs, you could pick prizes. And I got this one. So stinking cute. This one. There's a bunch in my room, but I know I already showed you guys these. And then let me show you the new ones. This is so stinking cute. It comes as a set, but Ricky ended up yanking this one from the table at the VA for me. He's like, oh, this is Ani's favorite. And he hid it in his pocket. I'm like, Bubby, Mommy needs to sell those. Okay, then this is gorgeous. This is gonna go in one of, next to one of my plants. Love it. Oh, don't want to break it. And then, this is so funny. Look at that booty. Now I'm going to show you the fidget toys. I am a wicked fidgeter. So this looks like a little thing of corn. Then this one's actually my favorite. I accidentally took this while I was cleaning. I had put it in my pocket, but oh my god. I don't know why I love it so much. I'm just really into fidget stuff and Play-Doh and clay. And then this is Cusco's poison. The poison to kill Cusco. And then this is just an unlimited bubble wrap. And then you do it the other way. I will show you guys these with the front-facing camera. I'm using the back one to show you guys the detail on these. So cool. I'm going to show you this one last because there's an effect that I love. It's going to go into a, what do they call it, a shadow box frame. How cool is that? And then, this one is so sick. And look, this is what I love about it. So cool. So I haven't asked my sister yet, so I don't know if this is like a dual filament, but you can see one, or if it was left in the sun. But one side is darker than the other, so I will be using this side because I do like that a lot better. That color. Oh, that quilting effect is so cool. And then we have this one. Oh my god, that is so sick. It's really neat, the 3D things you can print. I just love all the detail. This is a different texture of a crochet. God, they look so good. I just love them.